Hey guys, Kyle with Aluminess Products. Wanted to introduce you guys to one of our newest products that we're super excited about. It's a new take on our crowd favorite, the Expo kit or the Expedition kit. This is the Expedition Pro kit or the Expo Pro. Now, what we wanted to do in accomplishing this is give you guys more premium shovel and more premium axe in a smaller, more compact footprint. So that's where our Expo Pro comes into place. So we're really proud to partner with DMOS. They're the maker and manufacturer of this shovel. It's made in America. It's award-winning. It's a super killer shovel. You guys got to check it out. So we'll run through that, and then we also are using the Fiskars axe, the go-to overlanding axe. So as you can see on our actual Aluminess mount itself, what you'll see is that it actually has a padlockable latch here. When you turn it, it actually cinches it down, so it gives you a nice secure feel. And then it's got a little hole for you to be able to throw a padlock in there to keep the whole thing secure. Simply opens up, you turn that, and it'll allow you to then open this. And one of the things that you'll notice is it doesn't come falling right out. So there's actually a little clip that holds on the DMOS shovel. And so what you'll do is you'll actually pull the shovel slightly out and then lift up to pull it out. So there's a little key in feature down at the bottom of our mount that keys into the DMOS shovel. So how this shovel works is it actually comes in multiple pieces, and it's a telescoping handle that then clips into the back. And this thing is really killer for soft materials like snow or sand. So it's the go-to shovel. Their motto is always at hand but never in the way. And so we're trying to take that and run with it with our Expo Pro. So this thing just keeps expanding out like go-go gadget all the way out. So you can see how long this thing really is. So you can really get underneath your vehicle, get into those hard to reach places, but it still folds up into a small, compact area to mount to. The next thing you'll notice is that we have the axe hidden behind that shovel. So what it does is it allows you to still protect that leading edge, so you don't have to worry about getting yourself cut or having any accidents with that. But it's nice and secure, so it's not going to go anywhere. You can use our mount in multiple orientations. So right now we have it in the vertical orientation. You can actually mount it horizontally if you wanted to mount it somewhere else. And this axe and the shovel is not going to go anywhere. Again, once you take that shovel off, the DMOS shovel, the axe isn't going to come out because it has these two turning latches. So you just turn those, and then this axe just pops right out. So it's nice and secure while you're traveling, but it's not going to come out unless you're ready for it. Alright guys, thanks for coming along with us today to learn more about the new Aluminess Expo Pro kit. Go ahead and check out DMOS online, check out more of their cool products, understand more about their shovel systems. But for us, yeah, if you want to keep checking out more videos that Aluminess has, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. Thanks guys.